Anti-automatic batch-type sandblasting machine. High-volume processing for discs and cylinders. Features 8 rotating workstations with 2 dedicated blasting zones. Driven by a 2.3 kW servo motor. For precise indexing and smooth operation. Unique intermittent indexing design. The main turntable indexes stations, while individual tables spin at high speed for uniform coverage. Equipped with 3 groups of 12 high-performance guns, with variable frequency oscillation. Fully adjustable 360 degrees angles ensure 0 blind spots. Flexible gun positioning and angle adjustments make it ideal for treating complex geometries and surfaces. Dual screw conveyor system and efficient hoisting assembly enable automatic abrasive recycling and purification, significantly reducing operating costs. Powered by a 7.5 kW high-performance fan for strong dust extraction. The independent dust collector ensures a clean and eco-friendly workshop environment. Advanced PLC control system offers high automation, variable frequency control for gun oscillation, and rotation speed ensures simple, intuitive operation. Robust structure with 14.4 kW total power for high efficiency. ATHI boosts your competitiveness in surface treatment technology.